Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the My Eyes Only feature on Snapchat. First we'll go into the app. Then right beside where you normally press to record the circle right there, you press right beside that where you see the two cards. Then you're going to see this pop up. Then you'll scroll across to My Eyes Only. Then click on Setup. Then select Quick Setup. And you're simply going to enter a password. Let me enter something quickly. And then you confirm the password. That's it. You press continue. And then from there you can choose to put previous snaps or stories or pictures or videos of your camera roll in the My Eyes Only section, and it will be password protected. For instance, you can select a snap here, and then you'll select the three dots up the top, and then you'll choose My Eyes Only and put it there, and you can see. So now it's private, and you can also do that for stuff on your camera roll also in your galleries. Simply select something. For instance, let me select a picture so you can see it better. Right here. Then you're going to select the three dots above the picture. Then you're going to select My Eyes Only. And then you select move. But when you move a pic or stuff from your gallery, you can also choose to delete it, which will put it in private so it won't be in your gallery anymore. So it'll be fully private.